Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're excited to introduce what we believe is the best 5-switch light switch cover on the market, the ENERLITES Toggle Light Switch Wall Plate. If you're looking for a stylish and durable way to enhance your home's electrical aesthetics, stick around as we dive deep into the features and benefits of this exceptional product. At first glance, the ENERLITES wall plate impresses with its sleek gloss finish and modern design. Measuring 4.50 inches in height and 10.03 inches in length, it comfortably fits 5 toggle switches. This plate is not just about looks. It's constructed from unbreakable polycarbonate thermoplastic, ensuring that it can withstand heavy impacts and daily wear and tear. This makes it perfect for both residential and commercial use. One of the standout features of the ENERLITES wall plate is its heat and fade resistance. Rated to handle temperatures over 100 degrees Fahrenheit, you won't have to worry about discoloration or fading over time. This is particularly important for areas exposed to direct sunlight. Plus, it carries a flammability UL94 V2 rating, ensuring it meets safety standards. Installation is a breeze. The wall plate comes with matching screws for easy replacement of any wall plate of the same configuration. Whether you're a seasoned DIYer or a first-time installer, you'll appreciate how straightforward it is to upgrade your switch covers without any hassle. The smooth finish also means no recessed lines or awkward edges, allowing for easy cleaning and maintenance. Now, let's talk about versatility. The ENERLITES Toggle Light Switch wall plate is not only functional but also adds a touch of elegance to any room. Whether you're outfitting a modern living room, a cozy bedroom, or a professional office, this wall plate fits seamlessly into any decor style. It's available in a clean white color that complements various color schemes, making it a perfect choice for any setting. Durability is a key factor when considering a product like this, and the ENERLITES wall plate does not disappoint. Its robust polycarbonate construction means it's less likely to crack or break compared to traditional plastic wall plates. This is especially advantageous in homes with children or pets, where accidents can happen. Customers have consistently rated this wall plate highly, noting its durability and attractive design. While we're not diving into specific reviews, it's clear that many appreciate the balance of quality and affordability that ENERLITES offers. At just $8.99, you're getting a reliable and stylish product that enhances your home without breaking the bank. So, if you're in the market for a 5-switch light switch cover that combines style, durability, and ease of installation, the ENERLITES Toggle Light Switch wall plate should be at the top of your list. Thank you for joining us today on Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more great product reviews. Until next time, happy decorating!